Hello everyone, welcome to Enchanting Lights. Today we are going to decoupage on this plastic pot which I was having. So just thought of revamping the pot and giving it a new look. For this we will be requiring this old plastic pot. I have painted this pot with this white Tractor Aqualock Asian Paints white paint. I have given just one coat because the pot was already in white color, so one coat was sufficient. Then tissue napkins, acrylic colors, Mod Podge, scissor and brush. So now let's start with the video. At first we are going to separate this design of our napkin. I have taken this beautiful tropical parrot design napkin. I have chosen it for decoupage. So I'll be removing this design with the help of my hand. I'll just tear it gently because I don't want the sharp edges to come. So that's the reason I'm just separating it with the help of my hand. I have separated all the designs from tissue napkins which I want to stick on this pot. Now let's start gluing these. I am taking Mod Podge here. At first I'll apply this tropical parrot. Take good amount of Mod Podge. Like this you have to stick very gently. Make sure there are no wrinkles. Now let's stick on the flowers. Placing this pink flower here. This way I'll fix the rest two flowers and then we'll work out further. Our planter is now ready. I have stuck all the pieces of tissue napkins as you can see on the planter. Now let's start coloring this empty area, the white area of the planter. I have taken green and yellow acrylic colors and I'll start painting using my flat brush. Just mixed both the colors because I want the jungle effect of green and yellow, so that's the reason this blend is required. I want the pot to be nice, bright and colorful. The more bright color you choose for your planter, the more lively it will look. As you can see, I have covered the entire planter with green and yellow shade. It's looking fantastic, exactly the way I wanted. Now this top edge of the planter, I'll be painting it in purple color, matching to our parrot's feathers. So, like this. This is the best use of the plastic pots, the bottles, or the containers, glass containers or plastic containers which are lying at your home. I have made many such planters, and at the end of this video I'll be showing you all my creations. If you have not yet liked or subscribed to my channel, please do like my channel, and if you are new, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give your valuable comments. So this way I have covered the top portion or the edges of our planter in purple color. I'll just slightly distress the outer thin edge which is there with purple color as well. My paint is not very wet. I'm just using a bit dry paint because it helps me in distressing the edges easier. My brush is not very wet. It's a bit damp brush which I'm using. The distressing effect will be nicer. Oops, sorry, in this scenario. Like this. Time to seal our work with Mod Podge. So I'm taking Mod Podge and just putting a good coat of Mod Podge glue on our designs. So in this way, as you can see, our planter is ready and it's looking fabulous. You also try this beautiful planter at home and send me your suggestions, your feedback in comment section. Hope you all liked it. Thank you. As you can see, I have made few more planters earlier and I'm just showing you the glimpse of these planters. Hope you all liked my work. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.